used to manage our licenses manually before, and actually we can't really monitor those licenses. That's why we used to call our journey from manual to automatic software metering. OpenIT is really helpful for us, especially in generating reports. It can easily generate our required reports without too much customization. So right now we are into using Power BI. It's really easy to share the reports to discipline engineers and managers through just giving them the link of the visual so they can easily see the report. Not only that, the report, the visuals, perform in-depth, really deep usage analysis, including CPU, I/O, keyboard, and mouse activities as well. It really helps us in our decision making because we were able to identify particularly our AutoCAD usage, that we don't have to purchase any additional license request. Through OpenIT, we were able to identify that we have sufficient license to accommodate those requests. And we have many idle license that we weren't able to monitor during the time we still don't have OpenIT. So through OpenIT, we saved a lot of money.